1 minute science, we're looking again at that relationship question. We know it's going to come up. We know a relationship has the pattern in its answer, the more the this, the more the that, or the more the this, the less of that. Similar kind of pattern. It's not about 2 points in time. Let's have a look at this question and it'll make more sense. This question is asking us, describe the relationship between age in years and the time taken for muscle to contract. Well, we can see that as the years increase by each 10 years, going from 30 to 40 to 50 to 60, so does the time for the muscle to contract. So if we just said, as age increases, the time for the muscle to contract increases, that would suggest that we have a graph something like this. As one increases, so does the other. However, if we take a closer look at the data in this graph, which we have to do, because look at this, 2 marks for your answer to this question, we can find something else out, something else that we can mention in our answer. Let's have a look. As we see here, for this 10 years, this has an increase of 1.3. From here to here, however, that increase has also increased and is 2.9. From here to here, we see that there's a different increase again of 3.6. So we can see that this is going up quite a lot. The next one down, we see is going up to 4.6, and the difference between there and there is 5.7. That graph wouldn't support our relationship of age increases, so does the time for muscles to contract, because the graph would look more like this. It would start off slow because the rate of increase is changing, and then it would increase. So what we're going to say is that as age increases, the time for muscles to contract increases at an increasing rate. So here I would get 1 mark, and here I would get the second mark. So in summary, when you get a question about a relationship, don't forget you've got to say more than just the more the this, the more the that. You've got to take some information from the data